guys, back to another video. This video I'll be reviewing my knife that I buy from Lazada. It's nice quality for my hair. Okay, I don't have hair. I have no idea why I buy it, but I don't have my hair. So I'm making a video that I'm doing like this. I make a tutorial. Oh, I didn't make a tutorial to this trick. And the tutorial I make to the other video is this. So go watch it, guys, if you haven't watched it. So it's a barely nice tutorial. So it's a bench made. It's not focusing, but it's a bench made. It's a good quality. Nice for training. I'm gonna it's a very nice knife because you can nice knife, cool one. Okay, it's gonna be a nice knife. Like, so this is the best trainer if you haven't trainer, because okay, and it's a nice trainer because look at the quality of it. Oh, I fell. I mean, it's good, but it's just a bit hard to use because it will hit your knuckles. When you are new, rip knuckles. So I remember this when I was 8 years old. Like, I'm using this as a butterfly knife. I'm making like a CS gun. Oh my god, that sounds so scary. So I make a Minecraft server, guys. If you want to join me, maybe later, just comment, can I join your server? So if you're still watching, thank you so much, because other people don't watch my video for like my other channel, obviously. So this is me. I'm Fanny's Official. So if you don't know Spanish Official, it's me. I am the real Fanny's Official. I am the Fanny's Official. I'm making the videos. I am making this video. Just kidding. I'm not Fanny's Official. So you can hear my voice. Ako to, Fanny's Official. So if you don't know what's that language, it's a Filipino language. So wait, I think we left the review, so let's get back to the review because we left it. So I'm gonna show you the back of it. Wait, guys. And this is what the box looks like. It's a bench made 40. I mean, not 42 because it's not even 42. It's a nice knife. And it's a knife tools. It's just this is what the back look like. It says the Benchmade commitment. Thank you for choosing Benchmade. Our commitment to constant innovation ensure that all our knife will deliver the performance and surpass quality you have come to expect. You will have my pledge that will contain the squares. That's the assist. Founder and owner, Benchmade Knife Company NC. It's printed. This knife is a printed knife. I'm not saying that the metal is a printed because it's a metal. Like, I mean, this logo, it's the print. So I have no idea how they print this because you don't know how to do that trick. That's my own trick. This trick, see this trick? That's my own trick that I learned for myself. So are you having a question? Why do I have? How do I learn that trick? Or you're saying if that is a trick, so maybe that's not my own trick. So to do that trick, it's gonna be like this. What you gotta do is practice doing this. Practice not hitting your knuckle because it will hit your knuckle. So when you learn it, practice doing this, guys. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open it, and before it hit, go to this part, roll it like and then when it push down, and then you're gonna like that, and then complete. So it's a better. It's not this one. So it's a better knife. So you can do a lot of work with this. So this is how. So for the people that know how to lock this, you're gonna really. So it's hard to lock because look. See, it's not even locked. So to lock it, there's a way. So we're gonna do, guys. It's gonna be hard because when I'm buying this knife, I don't know how to lock it. But when I open the package, it's locked. I thought it was broken, but after doing a lot of tricks, I just literally noticed that it can lock. So gotta do. Gonna push it like you're training or push it, but no, squeeze it like a pro, squeeze it like an awesome. Subscribe to Pewdiepie. Okay. Oh my god, I nearly say bad word. Oh, see, it's locked. Now you cannot even use it. Now you can prank your friends. You're gonna say, hey friend, this is locked. This is not locked, you're gonna play with it, so will you borrow it? Okay, thanks friend. Wait, why is it not working, friend? Is it broken? But he didn't know it's locked. So wait, I learned another trick. See, wait. Oh, I thought I learned another trick. Oh my god. Oh my god, I learned another trick. You see, I'm just playing like that, and then when I get it back, it's like that. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh, it's just a normal one. It's just like this trick. It's just like this trick. I have a lot of version of this trick, guys. This trick. I have a lot of version of that. So if you're still watching, just comment, guys. That comment. I know this video will gonna have a lot of dislike because they're gonna be annoyed on my face. So thank you. Okay, guys. While I'm doing this trick,